Adorable renovated all-brick ranch. New kitchen features solid wood soft close cabinets, top-of-the-line stainless appliances, convection oven, low-profile microwave, Bosch dishwasher plus refrigerator, and granite countertops. Beautiful original hardwood. Huge laundry room. All new interior and exterior light fixtures. Updated tiled bathrooms. Replacement windows. Roof, gutters, HVAC plumbing, ductwork, barrier paper and electrical panel all replaced within the last 5 years. New front concrete patio. Private backyard with mature trees,